Trader, YINN weekly chart. We've gone up 1, 2, 3 weeks. We're hitting that wall of resistance. My new target is 68.70, 68 right below 70 up here. Okay, and I continue to own it. You can see the weekly volume. It was pushing it. I have a lot of traders in it. I have a lot of my managed account people in this. You can get in a managed account. We do all the work for you. But let me just tell you something. It's the best breakout right now. And then what tops it off is letting the winner run until it stops. That's right. Once it stops, then we'll go short. And we'll keep all our profits like we do. Stay tuned. I want you to sign up. Get involved. Read the Buy Now, Pay Later program. This fits it for you. You could be in this for 3 weeks already, 4 weeks. You could have been buying it over here. Let's take the right step for you and let's get invested. Let's start it out right.